In this tutorial, you will learn how to replace the printhead. Open the top cover. Push the printhead assembly upward until it becomes free from its locking hooks. Disconnect the printhead cable. Connect the printhead cable to the new printhead. Place the mounting knob into its receptacle and press upward to secure the printhead into its locking hooks. Open the Printing Preferences control panel. Open the Advanced utility and select Calibration from the Sensors and Calibration tab. In the printhead section, enter the serial number and resistance value of the new printhead, then click Apply. The serial number and resistance value can be found on the printhead label.